All right, so we're going to do question 6 now. So in question 6, let's have a look at the precedence table and the activity network, see if we can fill out some of the gaps here. So we can see that A and B have no predecessors, so I expect A and B to be separate lines. So we can see 2 separate lines there. And then C, we want to know what it's connected to, right? C's got a weight of 6, which is true. C's got a weight of 6. Notice there's a dummy from B that connects to C as well. So starting point of C cannot start until A and B are sorted. So I would say that connection for C has to then be A, B. Looking at D now, so let's have a look at D. D has a weight of 5 based on the diagram there. So this is a weight of 5. And D is directly connected to the end of B. So D cannot start until B finishes. So that's done. That's correct. That's true. And then E was E. So notice E has 2 points. This is where E starts. E relies on C finishing, but it also relies on D, the dummy, here to finish. So that means that E relies on a connection of C and D. Okay, and it has a weight of 7, all good. F is 1. Connected D, alright, cool. And then G, so where's G? G's up here, so G starts at this point and it clearly comes after E with a weight of 3. So I would say weight of 3 and it comes after E, so all good, already accounted for. And then H comes after F. So I know it's F and it has a weight of 3. That's correct. And then finally, I think that's all about it. I is weight of 2 and it connects to B. Yep. All right, there you go. So this is my network. And then in that network now, they want you to write the critical path for this project. So like I said, critical path is when your float times, there's no room to wiggle. So we can see that activity C, starting at 6, 6, this is a key component. So it means from the starting point S, I'm going to be going towards A. So A, C, activity A and activity C has what I would say a critical path. Okay. What else has a critical path? Let's have a look. Oh, wait, actually, I probably should double check that one. Let me just... So B, I just realized that B connects to point C as well. So we can't assume that A is the critical path. There may be a float time. And so this is what I mean. You always got to check, even though this is 6, 6, which is true, but is it path A to get there or is it path B to get there? I can see here that 6 take away 0. So we're doing forward scanning, or 0 plus 6 to get to 6. Clearly, that would mean that the duration of A has to be 6 and it's not. So that means 6 here has been taken from a different pathway, which is likely to do with B. So B connects to the C, so it's B has to be the one with 6, 6, which is a critical path that leads to C. And once C finishes, it connects with E. E finishes and G then starts at 1919. So it looks like that must be my critical pathway then. It must be B, C, E, and then activity G. So B, C, E, and activity G, and you finish at T. Okay, so those are your 4 key activities. This is what we call the critical